1. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $16,700, located, Chambersburg, Pennsylvania.
This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro is a purpose-built drag racing roller designed for enthusiasts looking to complete a serious competition project. The car has been driven 123,456 miles and features an automatic transmission. According to the seller, it is equipped with a professionally built box tube chassis weighing approximately 1,714 pounds as a roller. Lightweight fiberglass components include the front end and doors, helping reduce overall weight for improved drag strip performance. The drivetrain setup includes a Dana 60 rear axle with 5.13 gears, 35 spline axles, and strange disc brakes on both the front and rear. Big block and small block motor plates are included, along with a driveline designed for a Powerglide transmission. Additional equipment includes wheelie bars, new battery cables routed from front to rear, an MSD7L3 ignition box, aluminum 5-gallon fuel cell, radiator, and big block headers. A rebuilt ATI Powerglide transmission with Ultra Bell, plus a compatible shifter, is available separately for an additional cost.
The seller also includes an Outlaw hood.
This vehicle is sold without a title or VIN tag and is intended primarily for racing or off-road use.
2. 1972 Chevrolet Camaro. Price, $39,500, located, New Egypt, New Jersey.
This 1972 Chevrolet Camaro is a classic split bumper model that has been transformed into a high-performance muscle car built for impressive straight-line power.
The vehicle has approximately 1,000 miles on its current setup and is equipped with an automatic transmission.
Finished in a distinctive brown exterior with a matching brown interior, this Camaro offers a unique appearance while maintaining its aggressive racing character. Under the hood is a powerful big block 454 engine fitted with a supercharger, creating an eye-catching combination that delivers exceptional horsepower and torque. The seller describes the car as a serious performance build with a price listed as negotiable for interested buyers. This Camaro is ideal for collectors who appreciate second-generation muscle cars as well as enthusiasts seeking a vehicle capable of attracting attention at car shows, cruise nights, or drag racing events. The combination of classic styling, modern performance upgrades, and the desirable split bumper front end makes the Chevrolet Camaro an outstanding opportunity for anyone looking to own a memorable American performance machine.
3. 1977 Chevrolet Vega. Price, $60,000, located, Greencastle, Pennsylvania.
This 1977 Chevrolet Vega hatchback has been professionally built as a dedicated drag racing machine with exceptional performance and proven track capability. The vehicle has approximately 1,000 miles, features an automatic Powerglide transmission, and comes with a clean title. Finished in silver with a black interior, the car is powered by a Steve Schmidt 635 cubic inch engine producing approximately 1,145 horsepower through a single carburetor. Performance components include an SFI-approved bell housing, a 4,000 stall converter with trans brake, and a Ford 9-inch rear axle equipped with 4.11 gears. Additional racing equipment includes wheelie bars and a parachute for high-speed stopping. According to the seller, the car has recorded an impressive 8.24 second quarter-mile time, making it a serious competition vehicle. The chassis certification remains valid through 2029, while the racing seatbelts are certified through 2028. Included with the sale is a 28-foot Pace American Shadow GT enclosed trailer, providing convenient transportation for race weekends.
This package represents a complete turnkey drag racing setup ready for its next owner. 4. 1968 Pontiac Firebird Coupe. Price, $55,000, located, Quantico, Maryland. This 1968 Pontiac Firebird Coupe has been transformed into an advanced drag racing machine featuring extensive competition upgrades throughout the chassis and drivetrain. The vehicle has approximately 100,000 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in an aggressive black exterior, this Firebird has been built with performance as its primary objective. Power comes from a massive Sonny's Racing 600-plus cubic inch engine fitted with high-performance 14.5-degree cylinder heads, delivering outstanding horsepower for competitive drag racing. The suspension features premium Santhov shocks along with a professionally constructed Smithcraft front end and a 4-link rear suspension system for improved traction and stability during hard launches.
The rear section has been converted with a carbon fiber back half to reduce weight while maintaining structural integrity. Shifting duties are handled by a 2-speed Powerglide transmission housed in a durable reed racing case. Additional electronics include an MSD grid ignition management system, allowing precise tuning for maximum performance. This Firebird represents a purpose-built race car designed for serious competitors seeking speed, reliability, and proven racing components.
5. 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle. Price, $65,000, located, Pequoson, Virginia. This 1972 Chevrolet Chevelle Pro Street build combines classic American muscle styling with modern high-performance engineering. The vehicle features an automatic turbo 400 transmission and carries a clean title. Finished in attractive burgundy candy paint with a new tan leather interior, the car presents a refined appearance while hiding substantial performance upgrades beneath the body. Power comes from a newly installed 540 cubic inch Shafarov big block Chevrolet engine, providing exceptional horsepower and strong acceleration. The drivetrain is supported by a fabricated Ford 9-inch rear axle designed to handle demanding performance applications. Inside, the professionally finished leather interior offers improved comfort while maintaining the vehicle's custom character. The exterior paint provides excellent visual appeal with deep gloss and rich color that stands out at shows and events. This Chevelle is well suited for enthusiasts who appreciate professionally built pro street cars that balance appearance and performance. Whether displayed at local gatherings, driven to cruise nights, or enjoyed during special events, this classic Chevrolet offers impressive craftsmanship and the unmistakable presence of a professionally modified American muscle car. 6. 1955 Chevrolet Pro Street 2-door sedan. Price, $85,000, located, Marriottsville, Maryland.
This 1955 Chevrolet Pro Street 2-door sedan has been extensively customized into a powerful show-quality performance machine featuring premium components throughout. Listed in like-new condition, the vehicle is powered by a massive 572 cubic inch engine equipped with an 871 supercharger, delivering outstanding horsepower and an unmistakable appearance under the hood. The drivetrain includes a turbo 400 automatic transmission paired with a Gearvender's 6-speed overdrive unit, providing strong acceleration along with improved highway cruising capability. A durable Ford 9-inch rear axle and ladder bar suspension help transfer power efficiently, while front airbags and rear coilover shocks contribute to improved ride quality and adjustability. Additional features include power steering, dual batteries, electric fuel pump, electric cooling fans, odometer gauges, and Mickey Thompson SRT radial tires for dependable traction. Every detail reflects a carefully planned pro street build that blends vintage styling with modern performance technology. This 1955 Chevrolet is an excellent choice for collectors seeking a professionally finished custom classic that performs impressively while attracting attention wherever it is displayed or driven. 7. 1991 Chevrolet Step-Side Truck.
Price, $40,000, located, Quinton, Virginia.
This 1991 Chevrolet Step-Side Truck is a professionally built custom show truck that combines classic pickup styling with impressive high-performance upgrades. The seller describes it as a one-of-a-kind build with only 699 miles since completion. Under the hood is a powerful 454 cubic inch big block engine equipped with an SDS supercharger, delivering exceptional power and an aggressive appearance. The truck features complete painless wiring throughout, ensuring a clean and reliable electrical system. It also benefits from a fully detailed underbody with protective undercoating, reflecting the attention given to every aspect of the build. Originally from Las Vegas, the Chevrolet has been carefully maintained and remains road-ready for its next owner. The seller notes that there are many additional custom features beyond those listed, making this truck an outstanding choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike.
The current battery is temporary, with provisions already in place for a chrome-mounted Optima redtop battery.
This unique step-side offers show-quality presentation, dependable performance, and outstanding craftsmanship that makes it stand out at exhibitions, cruise nights, and custom truck events.
8. 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Roller. Price, $22,000, located, Mechanicsville, Maryland.
This 1968 Chevrolet Camaro Roller provides an outstanding foundation for anyone planning to build a dedicated drag racing or pro street project.
Unlike many race car rollers, this Camaro includes a title, adding value and flexibility for the future owner.
The car has been fitted with a lightweight fiberglass front end and fiberglass doors to reduce overall weight while maintaining the unmistakable appearance of the iconic first-generation Camaro. Lexan windows further contribute to the lightweight racing configuration, making the vehicle well-suited for competitive performance applications. According to the seller, the chassis has already been configured to accept a big block Chevrolet engine and a Powerglide transmission, allowing builders to complete the project with the drivetrain of their choice. This setup saves considerable fabrication time and provides a strong starting point for a serious racing build. Whether the goal is a competitive drag car or a custom Pro Street machine, this Camaro roller offers excellent potential with many of the essential structural modifications already completed.
Interested buyers are encouraged to contact the seller for complete build details. 9. 1981 Chevrolet Malibu. Price, $15,000, located, Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. This 1981 Chevrolet Malibu has been prepared as a dedicated drag racing vehicle featuring several proven performance upgrades for competitive use. The car has approximately 1,000 miles, an automatic transmission, and is finished in white with a black interior. Designed with straight-line performance in mind, the Malibu is equipped with a full roll cage that provides additional chassis strength and driver protection during racing events. The engine is supported by a nitrous oxide system to deliver significant increases in horsepower whenever additional performance is required. A line lock system has also been installed, making burnouts easier while preparing the tires for maximum traction before each run. The vehicle rides on fresh rubber, ensuring improved grip and dependable performance on the track. Completing the aggressive appearance is a lightweight fiberglass hood that helps reduce front-end weight while enhancing the classic drag car look. This Chevrolet Malibu represents an affordable opportunity for racers or enthusiasts seeking a ready-to-run competition vehicle with practical upgrades and excellent potential for further customization or weekend racing enjoyment. 10. 1961 Chevrolet Impala Bubbletop. Price, $28,000, located, Parkton, Maryland. This 1961 Chevrolet Impala Bubbletop is an excellent opportunity to own one of the most recognizable full-size American classics with a combination of original character and performance upgrades. The seller states that the car retains its matching numbers 283 cubic inch engine, preserving an important part of its originality while offering dependable classic V8 performance. It is equipped with a 4-speed manual transmission, providing an engaging driving experience that enthusiasts appreciate. Performance enhancements include a professionally installed 4-link rear suspension, 4-wheel disc brakes, and 4.56 rear gears for improved traction and stronger acceleration. According to the seller, the vehicle runs and drives well but still requires finishing work, allowing the next owner to complete the project according to personal preferences. The decision to sell is based on the owner's desire to focus on another build rather than any known mechanical issue. This Bubbletop combines timeless styling, desirable factory heritage, and practical upgrades, making it an appealing choice for collectors, restorers, or classic car enthusiasts searching for a solid project with excellent long-term potential. 11. 1965 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350. Price, $65,000, located, Washington, Pennsylvania. This 1965 Ford Mustang Shelby GT350 convertible is a professionally built tribute created to replicate the specifications of the 4 extremely rare GT350 convertibles produced by Shelby American during 1966. The vehicle has approximately 28,000 miles and is powered by a high-performance 289 cubic inch V8 engine paired with a 3-speed Cruise-O-Matic automatic transmission. Finished in black with a matching black interior, the car captures the appearance and spirit of the legendary Shelby models. According to the seller, the vehicle was assembled locally using original components whenever possible, with only the power brakes and Edelbrock carburetor added to improve everyday drivability and performance. The inspiration for this build comes from the exclusive convertibles created after Carroll Shelby's successful SCCAB production championships, with the originals never offered for public sale. This tribute allows enthusiasts to experience the styling and heritage of those historic cars without the extraordinary cost of an authentic example. It represents an outstanding blend of classic Mustang design, Shelby-inspired performance, and collectible appeal for enthusiasts and weekend drivers alike. 12. 1967 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe.
Price, $18,500, located, Shelton, Connecticut. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro LT Coupe has been extensively modified into a race-oriented machine while still including both a title and bill of sale for added peace of mind. The vehicle has approximately 123,456 miles and is equipped with an automatic transmission. Finished in black with a gray interior, this Camaro features a powerful big block Chevrolet engine fitted with aluminum cylinder heads to deliver strong performance. The rear axle is equipped with 4.56 gears, providing excellent acceleration for drag racing applications. The chassis has been professionally tubbed and reinforced with a full roll cage to improve safety and structural rigidity during competition. Additional lightweight components include a fiberglass front end and fiberglass doors, helping reduce overall weight for better performance. The seller also includes turn signal, headlight, and taillight kits, making the vehicle more complete for its next owner. Racing equipment includes a fuel cell, line lock, trans brake, and racing seatbelts that remain within certification date. With numerous recently installed components and additional upgrades not fully listed, this Camaro offers exceptional value for anyone seeking a capable and well-prepared drag racing project.